So let us discuss the first way of inserting an image from a file into our openoffice.org document using the drag and drop feature. So the steps involved in this are, first of all, I will list you all the steps, followed by the depiction of the same in front of you, followed by illustration of all the steps in front of you by means of our openoffice.org document. So what are the different steps? Let us see. See, the first category, first option by means of which we can insert our image file into our document is drag and drop feature. So what are the things that we need to do? Let's see. Now the steps involved in this process are, first step which we need to remember is we need to open the file browser window and locate the image you want to insert. Suppose I need to insert an image into our document, document, openoffice.org document. Then in order to do so, first of all, we need to locate that particular image. Suppose the image which we would like to insert, we need to locate that. We need to find out the location of that particular image by means of opening the file browser window. Now this is known as File Explorer, similar to this file browser window. Suppose using the file, whenever we click on any of the folder or file, then using the file browser window. Okay, using the file browser window, we need to find out the location of that particular image. File browser is an application by means of which we can search a particular file into our hard disk drive, wherever it is stored, at whatever location it is being stored. Using that file browser window only, we can locate that particular file, and using that file we need to insert it into our OO document, openoffice.org document. So what are the second step? Drag the image into the writer document and drop it where you want it to appear. Now in the second step, once our image file is located or traced, after that the next step is to select that image file, or click that image file, it will get selected, and after this we need to drag the image. After pressing the mouse cursor, pressing the mouse button, left mouse button and cursor, we need to drag the image into the writer document, the document where it is there, the document where it is needed to be inserted. We need to drag that particular image using our mouse and cursor. Okay, using our mouse and cursor, and finally at that particular location we need to drop it where it should be appearing. A faint vertical line marks where the image will be dropped. Now as soon as I select the area in which I need to insert that particular image file, a faint vertical line will be developed in that particular area where we need to insert our image. Means they will simply indicate the location where I am planning to insert my file. Okay, the computer itself will indicate the area or the location where I need to insert that image file. So how? Let us see. These are the three steps. Now this is a note which will be discussed later. First of all, let us see how it can be achieved. What are the ways, what are the different methods, what are the procedure of achieving this complete set of steps. So let us see. Now what I did, as I said earlier, my OpenOffice document is OpenOffice application is already installed in my device. Now I will directly go ahead with this particular application only. I am not going to use Microsoft Office Word. So let us see. Double click here. As soon as you double click, the OpenOffice interface will be opened in front of us. Simply select the first option, that is text document option. Text document option, click here, double click. See, as soon as I double click in that particular application, in that particular option, it simply redirected us to a next page, that is OpenOffice Writer. This is the name of the application which is used for documentation purpose in case of our OpenOffice.org. Okay, OpenOffice software. So in this interface, as we are able to see, it is similar to Microsoft Office Word only. Only the features, all the features are also available, whatever is there in our Microsoft Office Word document, all the features are applicable here also, but options are different, means we need to search for the options in different areas, different locations. So let us see how it can be achieved. Now we have a folder which contains lots of image files. Say in this new folder, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 images are there. Out of this 6 images, I simply would like to insert a single image using the drag and drop feature. Only a single image using the drag and drop feature into our OpenOffice.org document. So how it can be possible? How is it possible? It can be done by means of drag and drop. Simply say I would like to select the first picture. Then the first step is simply click, press once, left mouse click, press once. Then simply pressing the left mouse click, drag and bring it to our OpenOffice.org document. As soon as you click on that OpenOffice.org document, see, we will be able to get an OpenOffice.org document which is opened in front of us. Now simply bring that particular picture in here. Okay. Then after that you leave the mouse cursor. See, as soon as I drag and brought it in this particular location and left it over here, our picture got inserted in our OpenOffice.org document. Correct? Now, one more step is there. See, we have applied this. Open the Flyer browser. First of all, we have applied this in order to locate the image. Then the second, using drag option, we have dragged the document and dropped it where it used to appear. A font vertical line marks where the image will be dropped. See, this faint vertical line marks, how faint vertical line marks will be coming up, will be appearing where we need to insert our image or where we need to drop our image. See, a faint vertical line. Okay, let me remove this one once more and let us check. See, this is our OpenOffice.org document. I simply need to insert our picture, then go to folder, from there select any file, say second one, bring it, drag and drop it in here. See, it is being said a faint vertical line will appear. See, that one is a faint vertical line. Correct? So this is how we need to insert an image from a gallery, from a particular location, from a particular file, from a particular folder into our OpenOffice.org document. Okay. Now apart from this, one note has been mentioned while discussing the topic. I have shared one note in front of you. See, this method embeds a copy of image file in the writer document. To link the file, instead of embedding it, hold down the Ctrl Shift key while dragging the image. Now what happens? The method or the way by means of which we have inserted that particular image file into our document will simply save a copy of the same image file. Will simply save a copy of the image file into our document. That means what? When we simply drag and drop at that particular location, it will simply embed. A copy of the image will be saved. A copy of the image file will be saved in our writer document. However, if if we need to link the file, if we need to link this particular file, if we need to link this particular image file without embedding it, means without embedding it, without saving a copy of the same, if we directly wish to link that particular software that particular file with the document, then while dragging and dropping we need to hold the Control Shift keys together. Okay, while dragging and holding we need to press the Control Shift keys together while dragging and dropping the image. So let us see how it can be achieved. So this is an exception in here. Let us see how it can be achieved. So this is our openoffice.org document. I am simply removing it, closing it. Again I will open, no need to worry. Okay, so opening the document once more, opening the application once again. See, it got opened. First interface came up. Select text document, double click. Okay, so our interface of OpenOffice Writer came up in front of us. The OpenOffice Writer application opened in front of us. Now, what was being said? That is, we need to press Control Shift key. Correct? See, while dragging and dropping, we need to press Control Shift key. So, how it can be achieved? Let us see. Now, again, I am moving to the new folder. Suppose selecting a file over there. Say this one, third file. Now, I am pressing Control and Shift keys together. Okay. As soon as I click Control and Shift key together and started dragging this file, see. Are you able to see a instruction create link in desktop? See, create link in desktop. This method will create a link, means it will link this particular document with our document, this particular file with our openoffice.org document. See, it has been embedded. Okay, it will be directly linked to our document. It got embedded in here. Now, if we would like to insert something, then below it we can insert. If we would like to insert any query, question, anything, any matter related to this picture, we can insert it just below the picture. Fine. So this is how we can achieve insertion of a file using drag and drop feature. Now let us come to the next point of our discussion. Let us come to the next point of our discussion. See how we can insert picture dialog. Let us come to the next topic, that is insertion of picture dialog in our openoffice.org document. The steps involved are listed in front of you. So I will simply read it out and followed by the explanation of the same by means of openoffice.org document. The steps involved in inserting picture dialog are: click in the openoffice.org document where you want the image to appear. Now the first thing is, here we are not supposed to open the folder where our files are stored. We are not supposed to open the folder where our files are stored. Instead, we need to open the openoffice.org document and we need to click on that particular location where we need our image to appear. Okay. The second option is we need to go to insert picture from file from the menu bar. Okay, means this is the second option and this is the second step. After opening the document, after locating the place, after finding out the place where we need to insert our document, we simply go to the insert tab. We will simply go to insert tab. From there we need to locate picture. From picture, once picture is clicked, it will display from which location you would like to import your picture or insert your picture into the document. So from that option we need to select from file in that particular menu bar. A menu bar will be listed after picture option. Okay, after picture option, after selecting picture option, a menu bar will be displayed in front of us, and from that menu bar only we need to select from file, and once from file option will be selected, it will automatically redirect us to that particular image. Once the insert picture dialog navigate to the file to be inserted, select it and click open. Okay, as soon as the insert picture dialog appears in front of us, we need to navigate, we need to move to that particular file which has to be inserted. Means we need to search, we need to browse the content over our device, over our computer, and the location where this file is being stored. After that, once we get the file, we need to select it and click open. Okay, we need to click open. See, figure on the next slide, means the picture of this whole step is being depicted on the next slide. So, at the bottom of the dialog are two options, preview and link. Now, once we will select and press open, there at the bottom there will be two options. First one will be preview and the second one is link. Select preview to view a thumbnail of the selected image on the right. If we would like to check a preview of the thumbnail, how our image will appear in our particular document. Thumbnail is simply nothing, it is just a preview of the document which has been created by means of our application. Okay, so that thumbnail will be shown on the right hand side, so you can verify that you have the correct file. For the use of link, see on the next slide. Okay, so in order to verify that whether the picture which we are going to insert in our document using picture dialog is correct or not, we go ahead with this step. Means the process of previewing the thumbnail is utilized in order to check whether the file which we have inserted in our document is correct or not. So let us see. Let us move to the next slide, how it will look like. Let me show you first diagram depicting insertion of picture dialog. How a picture dialog once inserted will look like. See here, from a particular file, from a particular folder, the particular file has been imported, and before embedding, before attaching, before fixing that file in our openoffice.org document, a preview option came up on the right hand side. Correct? This is a thumbnail. This is also called thumbnail of the preview option came up, so that it becomes evident for all of us. It will be evident to us that the image which we are inserting in our document is correct. Okay, so let us see the procedure. This is just a depiction. Let us see by means of application. So here we have opened openoffice.org. Okay, now I am removing this one. Say this file I am deleting. I have deleted. Now how to use picture dialog. So in order to do so, we need to go to one tab that is known as insert tab. See, file, edit, view, insert. One option is there, insert. Go to insert tab. Okay, under the category of insert tab, what is there? Let's see. Okay, see, suppose I would like to insert my picture at this particular location. I have brought my cursor at this particular location. I would like to insert my picture file. Then I will bring my cursor at this location, and then we will choose insert tab from the OpenOffice tab. That from file, insert from file. See, one option is there, that is the last option, file. From which file we would like to insert our document. So we will be moving ahead with these options. Select this, click in here. As soon as we click on that file option, we are being redirected to where? File browser window. We are being redirected to a file browser window. That window which I discussed, that is file browser window. This is that particular window. Okay, so this is known as file browser window. Now in this file browser window we will look for the location, we will find out the location where that particular file is stored. Let us see. Here in our computer it is shared on the desktop. Go to desktop. Now in the desktop we have a folder with the name new folder. Double click here. As soon as we double click, all the pictures appeared in front of us. Suppose I would like to select this one, open. Okay, I will click on open. Insert, file, select all files, open. Go to insert picture. Sorry, we are not supposed to go to file option. We need to go to picture option. See, picture option from the sub menu, and after selecting picture we will get an option from file. Now here select from file. Okay, from file. As soon as we selected from file, it already redirected us to one Windows Explorer. Correct? Windows Explorer. From here we will move to our desktop. Then in the desktop, one folder has been created with the name as new folder. Click on that particular file which you would like to insert. Select that one. Go to open. Open. As soon as we click open, see, our picture has been inserted in front of us. Okay? As soon as we click, it came up in front of us. It came up in front of us. See, in this newer version, these two options are not available. In the newer version, that is 4.1.7 of OpenOffice.org document, these two options, preview and link options, directly cannot appear. We need to check it. Let us check. In order to check the thumbnail, insert picture from file. See, as soon as we click on from file, we are getting the list. Here that option is not available. I think in the latest version it is not available directly. As you can see, it is all the previews are available in front of us. So based on our requirement, we can choose any one, select any one of them, and then go ahead and insert. Okay. As soon as we click on open, it will get embedded into our document. So this is the way by means of which we can insert an image using picture diagram.